mga gandararat man imong handa o. Kani siya donut cake, nami mamol, tapos nami egg pie, tapos bread, carbonara, spaghetti, tapos mga fruits kani. Tapos kami ra magduha ni gandararat jen kaon. Tapos among chicken joy panaluto ang uban. Tapos nami slides kunohay, non-alcoholic daw. Tapos pang sakit sa kidney stone. So, mga gandararat, Happy New Year sa tanan mo ni magihanda ganiha. Siyempre, abot na mo galuto pa ko kaya og si gandararat Jean. So na pa yung nabilin dito mga gandararat no, lutoon nun. Hello mga gandararat, welcome to Gandang Maris YouTube channel. Please follow po sa ko ang Facebook page Gandang Maris ug sa ko ang TikTok Anay Halwa 00. Pero pag bago pa ka sa ko ang YouTube channel, please naman mga gandararat, pa-like, pa-subscribe ug please hit the notification bell para ma-update ka sa ko ang mga video nga bagong i-upload. Salamat. Happy New Year. Happy New Year sa tanan. Unsa yo si mga ingon yun?
Sulod na dito kaya akong atubang dari ang heater.
Madlok mo ka dito di kong sulod oh. Ay. Happy New Year, way too big. Patay, intas. Happy New Year sa tanan. Ana na lang ni uy, no?
Lift up your hands. Run filter eh.
Ha?
Run filter. Makita na niya.
Ha?
Live eh?
Live. Mga unami guys. Lafangan Festival. Rice chocolate. Toast.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, I'm losing shit. A stupid myth, you choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger, thirsty persons. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of
Mga
your
untan niyo,
problems
guys.
just to savor. I've got my own.
So, thanks for watching mga gandararat. Ito talaga ang buhay OFW mga gandararat. Mga gandararat, pag bago pa ka sa ko ang YouTube, please naman mga gandararat, pa-like, pa-subscribe, o please hit the notification bell mga gandararat para ma-update ka sa ko ang mga bagong i-upload. Salamat!